Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Kavi Web Designs, and today I'm going to tell you all about my commands ifconfig, IP and many more. So the first command in this video is the ifconfig command. So the ifconfig command in Linux is used to configure and display network interface parameters. So here in our example here I have only written ifconfig. So here after my example I have sample output here, and here it will show like this, some random text, and here eth0 with some random text here. So now knowing this, let's go to our Kali Linux to run this command. So here I'm at my Kali Linux here, and here I'm going to type the ifconfig command, ifconfig, and when I press return here it will show the eth0 showing some random text here, and the LO showing some random text here, and the LO means the local loop back, and the eth0 is the Ethernet cable. So now knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So moving on to our next command, which is the IP command. So the IP command is a more modern replacement for the ifconfig command, and it is used to display and manipulate routing devices, policy routing and tunnels. So here in our example here, I have written IP addr show, and what this command will do is this command will display the detailed information about all network interfaces. So here in our sample output here it will show 2 eth0 and some random numbers. So now knowing this, let's run this in our Kali Linux. So here I'm at my Kali Linux back, and here I'm going to type IP addr and show. So when I press enter here it will say first LO loop back up lower up, and here it will show some random text here, and then here the second one shows eth0 and it will show some random text with some text being colored like this, like the letter UP, which is up, has been colored the dark green, and here these IP addresses have been colored purple, and this has been colored blue, and the strings of F have been colored orange. So now knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. So moving on to our next command, which is the ping command. The ping command sends a ICMP echo request packets to a network host to test the connectivity and measure the round trip time. So here in our example here I have written ping google.com. So what this will do is it will send some packets to google.com and wait for a response, and in our sample output it will come like this, and it depends on which link you are giving it. Suppose I give twitter.com, it may take more time or less time. So now let's go to our Kali Linux to test this. So here back at my Kali Linux here, so I'm just gonna clear. So I'm gonna clear this, and now so here I'm gonna type the command ping google.com. When I press return here, now it's showing ping google.com, and then here is showing a string of sequences and the time, which is 192 milliseconds, and there's a lot of sequences here. So this will be going on forever. So this will be going on for a long time. So here I'm going to open up another terminal here. Now let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. moving on to our second to the last command, which is the netstat command. The netstat command displays a network connection, routing tables or interfaces statistics, and multicast membership. So here in our example here, I have written netstat-tuln. That means this command will list all listening ports, both TCP and UDP. So here a sample output here it will come like this, showing the proto, the rec-cv queue, send-q, local address, foreign address, and the state. So now, knowing this, let's go to our UTM to test this all. So here, back at our UTM here now I'm going to type netstat-tuln. When I press enter here now it will say active internet connections, only servers, proto, rec-cv-q, send-q, local address, foreign address, and state. They are not showing as because I haven't connected to any Wi-Fi, because I have connected to an Ethernet through the Kali Linux server. So that's why it's saying only servers. Now let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation to learn about more. Moving on to our next command, which is the ss command. The ss command in Linux is used to dump socket statistics, and it is a far faster and more informative alternate to netstat. So here in our example here I have written ss-tuln, and what this command will do is this command will list all listening ports, both TCP and UDP, similar to netstat-tuln. But netstat.tuln is a little bit slow, but the ss command is very faster than the netstat-tuln command. So here in the sample output, it is the same thing as before. Knowing this, let's test this out by going to our Kali Linux or UTM. So here back at our Kali Linux here I'm going to type ss-tuln, and when I type enter, here it will show it was clearly faster than the netstat one, and here it will show, now it's showing netid, state, rec-q, send-q, local address, port, peer address, port, and process. So here there will be nothing at the bottom of them, since I don't have any internet connection that I connected to, because I have only connected to the server. So now, knowing this, let's go back to our PowerPoint presentation. So friends, that's it for today. And if you like this video and you want to support us, please like, share, subscribe to our channel Kavi Web Designs, and show us some love. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye bye.